Mechanical keyboards are more durable and more customizable than those typical membrane keyboards. You may not notice the difference if you're only using your keyboard every now and again, but if you spend all your day typing and gaming, then it can be pretty enjoyable to customize everything to your exact needs. But how will you choose with the wide options on the market today? When choosing the right mechanical keyboard, consider factors like size and layout, the switches used, and some features that might be pretty useful to you. In this video, we'll help you choose the right mechanical keyboard that will fit your budget and preference, with the 5 best mechanical keyboards on our list. Now let's begin. The first on our list is the K95 RGB Platinum Mechanical Gaming Keyboard from CORSAIR. This mechanical keyboard is a stunner with its dynamic multicolor backlighting, with light edge technology so you can light up your mission control in spectacular full RGB. It features exclusive in-game lighting and effects with virtually unlimited customization. You can also synchronize lighting across all your CORSAIR iQ compatible products. And it also features a dedicated media and volume control, all within easy reach. It captures the basics of a great gaming keyboard with its Cherry MX speed linear switches that provides a very low pre-travel distance and a 1.2mm ultra-fast actuation. This means that the keys will bottom out faster and require less pressure, making it suitable for Twitch shooters or any game that requires fast reflexes. It will surely make your gaming experience phenomenal. The K95 RGB is made of an aircraft-grade brushed aluminum frame, which is necessary for a keyboard that's going to see a lot of action. It includes 6 programmable G keys for in-game macros, or key remaps for an in-game advantage. It also comes with an 8MB hardware storage for your on-the-go profiles, making it easier to bring the keyboard to a gaming event and instantly feel right at home. You can save up to 3 profiles completely independent of external software. The K95 RGB Platinum keyboard comes with a detachable dual-sided soft touch wrist rest, which offers plenty of support. The reversible magnetic rubber pad has a smooth micro finish on one side, and a rougher texture on the other. CORSAIR also adds an X arrangement of 2 cable channels that are molded into the underside of the keyboard to keep your headset wire or anything plugged into the USB pass-through out of the way. The second product on our list is the SteelSeries Apex 7 TKL Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. If you're looking for a compact keyboard without a 10-digit number pad, then this one might fit your fancy. The Apex 7 has a 10-keyless keyboard, which is ideal for gaming, especially for fast-paced games that require quick mouse movements. It also requires less space on your desk and is more portable compared to standard-sized keyboards. The Apex 7 TKL features a mini OLED smart screen with a resolution of 128x40. It displays useful information for adjusting settings, changing profiles, and on-the-fly updates. It helps you avoid tabbing out of whatever you're doing, and instead lets your keyboard show you the important details, like any Discord messages, the track playing on your Spotify, or some pretty game-specific details. The SteelSeries also features an easy-to-use onboard menu system, where you can program macros and build profiles using the OLED screen, without the need for any software from your computer. The SteelSeries Apex 7 keyboard also features a control wheel for easy volume control, and below it is a button that plays or pauses any media that you opened. Both the scroll wheel and the button, just like all the keys on the keyboard, can also be reprogrammed to support other functions. The SteelSeries offers 3 durable mechanical gaming switches that you can choose from depending on your preference on response type. The red, blue, and brown durable mechanical switches offer a 2mm actuation point and guaranteed 50 million key presses. The red is linear and quiet. The blue is tactile and clicky, and the brown is tactile and quiet. The Apex 7 comes with a premium magnetic wrist rest and is made of aircraft-grade aluminum alloy. So did you find the right mechanical keyboard from our first 2 featured products? Well, they're both pretty great for fast-paced games, and if not, then we still have 3 more to share with you, so keep on watching. If you're not yet a part of our growing community, then please subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to tap the bell icon to get an instant notification whenever we upload a new product review. Now let's continue on the list. The third product on our list is the RAZER HUNTSMAN Elite Gaming Keyboard. This is the latest addition to the RAZER HUNTSMAN family, the new version of the RAZER HUNTSMAN. It's TechRadar's best in class for the fastest gaming keyboard and the best typing experience combined. One distinctive feature of the HUNTSMAN Elite is its RAZER optomechanical switches, which have an optical light sensor inside the switch, which is significantly faster than that of other optical switch keyboards. Unlike traditional mechanical switches that actuate via metallic contact, the RAZER optical switch enables actuation via light. When you press a key, the light beam instantly passes through the switch stem and sends a corresponding signal to your computer to perform the intended action. By using light to actuate, it eliminates bouncing found in traditional mechanical switches, which results in the swiftest typing experience. The optomechanical switch also delivers a tactile and audible click, often missed out on the fastest keyboards, and a durability of up to 100 million clicks. The HUNTSMAN Elite also comes with a hybrid onboard memory that can save up to 5 profiles and cloud storage to save all your profile configurations. It also offers full 4-side underglow and 38 customization zones with 360-degree track lighting powered by RAZER Chroma. Despite the HUNTSMAN Elite's great features, it's RAZER's smallest keyboard thanks to its frameless and simple design. It features floating keycaps that hang over a jet black anodized aluminum deck. It also comes with an RGB lit magnetic leatherette wrist rest that you can easily snap at the front of your keyboard. The fourth product on the list is the G Pro mechanical gaming keyboard from Logitech. The 10-keyless keyboard's small and sleek design is perfect for use on limited spaces in your home or at esports tournament tables. It also comes in a detachable micro USB cable with 3-pronged design, which is excellent for traveling. The G Pro keyboard is equipped with a durable roamer G-switch, which according to Logitech has 10 milliseconds faster response time than the competition and a short throw actuation distance of 1.5 millimeters, with a durability of up to 70 million key presses. The Logitech G Pro features LightSync RGB technology, which provides next-gen RGB lighting and game profiles with your content. Using the Logitech G Hub, you can customize from approximately 16.8 million colors and synchronize lighting animations and effects with your other Logitech G devices quickly and easily. You can also customize game mode to disable any keys that you don't need using the G Hub. It can also be used to program custom button macros on F1 to 12 to execute complex commands with the press of a button. The G Pro also features multi-key inputs with a 26-key rollover, which means complex moves can be executed exactly right every time. It doesn't have a wrist rest pad, yet you can still enjoy typing for long hours with its 3 tilt angle adjustments. It allows you to adjust your keyboard to 0, 4, or 8 degree angles. It also comes with rubber feet to keep your keyboard from moving during intense gaming action. So have you decided from our first 4 mechanical keyboards that we've reviewed? Well, wait until you see the 5th and final product on the list. For more details, you can find the links of these reviewed products in the description box. You can also leave your comments and request a review of a particular product, and we'll attend to it shortly. Now let's continue. Last on our list is the HP OMEN Sequencer keyboard. It's equipped with clicky optical mechanical blue switches that enable 0.2 millisecond response time and toughness of up to 70 million key presses. Cast your perfect aura with the HP OMEN's individually backlit keys that offer RGB colors of up to 16.8 million with unique effects. You can also customize key backlighting with animated effects and game genre templates. The HP OMEN keyboard offers 5 customizable macro keys to help you gain the edge with your go-to moves. You can easily create and assign detailed macro sequences to the dedicated macro keys using the OMEN Command Center. There's 2 sections in the configuration panel, one for customizing the RGB lighting and the other for creating and assigning dedicated macros, and lack only a few core customization options. First, you can only customize the macro keys, while most keyboards of this type let you reassign any key. Second, you can't assign standard keyboard functions, and it's only limited to creating custom macros, 2-key shortcuts, or launching apps. To get full access to the features of the HP OMEN Command Center, you have to create an account, since you can only access your saved profiles when you're logged in. The HP OMEN is made of a lightweight anodized aluminum frame with a built-in USB port and an oversized metallic red volume roller for volume adjustments. It also features dedicated media controls for play, pause, skips, and mute options. When choosing the right mechanical keyboard, you should consider a lot of different aspects offered by various brands and models on the market. Finding the right one that you enjoy is a great exchange for your hard-earned money. So, thanks for watching our review. We hope that this video helps you choose the right mechanical keyboard that you'll enjoy to last a lifetime. That's it for today, and see you again here on the ReviewTube channel.